How to use your voice in Waze app. Now in order to do that, just simply open Waze and tap to these three bars from the top left corner, and from there you will see settings. Select that. Now after coming to the settings, select voice and sound, which will be here directly. Tap into that, and then you will see the option of current voice at the very top. Simply select current voice. Now after going in the current voice, you can custom voices by tapping into this custom voices. Tap to custom voices, new voices option, then tap to OK. Now after coming in this page, you will see a whole lot of options in order to record your voice, and you can use it later. In order to do that, simply open any of the instructions that are given in here, and after tapping in there, you can tap to this mic and you can record your voice for 6 seconds long for this specific audio, or maybe for all of these you can record 6 second long voice for instruction, distances, and start of drive. Just simply do that and tap to save button. I cannot do it because I'm recording the video. Then tap to done button from the top right corner, and your voice will be used in your Waze. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.